Hello and welcome back on my YouTube channel. In this video you will see how I mix these beautiful rose gold and platinum colors with Decofoil Metallix gel. Hi, this is Toth and I hope I got your interest and you keep watching this video. For this project I prepared colorful cardstocks in 5¼ by 4 inches. I am going to blend the background through the circle 2.5-inch blending stencil from Picket Fence Studios. They are selling this stencil in other sizes too. I own the 3.5-inch version too. As you can see, both of them are perfect for the 4¼ by 5.5-inch card size, but this time I am going to use the smaller one. First I am going to use the old paper Distress Oxide Ink. What I extremely love about this stencil is that it has negative part too, and in this tutorial I will use both the negative and positive parts. I also made an ink blending on the blue and vintage rose cardstocks, then I started the stamping and heat embossing process with the Jungle Baby stamp set from Picket Fence Studios. Look at these beautiful sentiments and images. I love this set so much. The reason why I am stamping with acrylic blocks is because I live in Europe, and unfortunately I didn't get my MISTI package in time to use them in the video. However, I absolutely recommend the MISTI for stamping. I had a chance to try it out on a crafty retreat, and I can say you, if you want to step to a higher level of stamping, consider to buy it. I can't wait to receive mine and stamp with it. Next I am going to mix a beautiful rose gold color with the iCraft Decofoil Metallix gel and Stencil pen. I am adding 2 parts of pure gold, 1 part of Glazed Pewter and 1 part of Champagne Mist Decofoil Metallix gel and the pink ink. I used the picked raspberry mini distress ink pad, stamped with a few times on watercolor mat, and now look at the magic. With the stencil pen, it is really easy to mix the colors together. Now I am adhering the circle from the blending stencil to mask the background on the card front. I also placed the Floral Damask stencil on it, and I am applying the Metallix gel mixture to the paper through the stencil, and I am gently pulling it with stencil pen. When I removed the stencil, the result was different what I was expecting around the circle. However, I still like it. On the other hand, if you have a pixie spray, then this can't happen to you. Trust me. I made 2 more backgrounds, this time with original colors, but I added the circle outside the stencil. For the blue one I used a pure gold color, and look, it works much better. So problem solved. I tried this once more, this time to the vintage pink. I used the Champagne Mist Metallix gel, which is also beautiful. I was really happy with the result, so I decided to mix 1 more metal color, and that's the platinum. I added 2 parts of Glazed Pewter, 2 parts of Champagne Mist, and 1 part of pure gold Decofoil Metallix gel. This time I did not use the circle stencil because I wanted to variate the designs for these 2 cards. I used white stitch circle die cut. Now it's time to clean all my used supplies and surfaces and let the backgrounds dry completely. The next step was the coloring. I used the beautiful Jungle Baby stamp set from Picket Fence Studios. I stamped the images off camera to save a little time, and I made a quick coloring with my Copic markers. I am speeding up the coloring process with a little music. If you want to skip this process, just expand the description box and click the next step. After the coloring, I made a quick fussy cutting, then I added the background to white card base with Gina Designs Permanent Adhesive Dot Runner. I wanted to add a little dimension to the colored images, so I used white foam squares from Gina Designs. I love this adhesive so much, because it's super permanent. In the end, I added few sequins with the iCraft Ultra Bond liquid adhesive to embellish my cards. And these are the final cards. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up and feel free to share it with your crafty friends. If you are already subscribed, ring the bell to don't miss any new tutorials. Have a happy day. Bye!